Hey y'all, it's Mussette here, and today is Wednesday, and I am doing a 24-hour transformation with my hair, nails, feet, and skin before I go on my flight to Tokyo. Yes, I am going to Tokyo for my last trip of the year. I've been on so many trips this year, but I wanted to go out with a bang for 2024 because Lord knows, I don't know if I'm gonna be traveling next year. I probably will. I need to save my money. I was not about to spend $200 and sit in a chair for 4 hours to get my hair done. I'm gonna do boho braids on my hair. So we'll see how that goes. That's probably gonna take 2 hours regardless. I'm gonna do some nails. I need to look up some inspo. The clock starts now, so I need to get all this done before the end of the night. Let's get into it. So I just blow dried my hair. That took about 30 minutes to do. I just ordered some Chipotle because I'm gonna get hungry by the time I'm done with this, and it's already 6:06 right now. 6:06, baby. I'm gonna get this ball on the road, ball started on the road, whatever that expression is. I am a little bit intimidated right now with the parting. I think what I'm gonna do right now is just section off the hair so that this can go a little bit faster so that I can try to get the nails done by tonight. I didn't want to do my nails first because I like to grip my hair and like feel the nails. Just I can't do that with that. Let's get started. I'm also gonna make a whole separate video for this hairstyle so that this doesn't take up the whole video. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on this, just wait. Okay, I didn't leave out any of the hair because I just know my hair would get tangled. I made these a little bigger because my hair is longer in the back. I have not done my hair in so long, to the point where like I feel like I don't even know how to braid anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why, but for the last 3 months I've been listening to Doja Cat's albums straight on repeat. Her Scarlet album, her Amala album I'm listening to right now, to Casual. Literally all of her songs eat, but I'm free parting it. Guys, when it comes to this area, that's when I'll figure out that the parts need to be clean. But if I can't see it in the back, what I said before, it's not my business. All right, we got our grape juice. Yes, babe, the arms is tired. I can't do this. I do not know what's going on. This video is gonna be called what I ordered versus what I got, because at this point there's no way. I think I have to wet it after, because this isn't giving voluptuous. It's giving you're in the dumpsters. So I have 2 parts left. I parted my hair kind of weird, and I think everything is lopsided. We're almost there. It is 9:52. 9:52. I should have called my braider. 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 Okay, so I just finished the last section. It's just too late to keep going, so I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and do the rest, but this is the results. I'm gonna sleep on it because I don't know if I actually like it. All right, it's the next day. I slept in these and it's not giving what it needs to give, babes. I think the solution is to spray them. It took me 6 hours to do, only because I took a Chipotle break, and then I watched an episode of Jersey Shore, and then I was just taking my time. I think this could have gotten done in less than 4 hours. I'm going to keep these in. I had no other option anyways. My flight is tonight. Yeah. So next, I'm getting into the nails because I need to get these done. Skincare, if I get to it, will be done next, but we'll see. I need to look up an inspo real quick for my nails. I have nothing in mind. Literally, every time I do my nails, I end up doing like a French tip, but a different color. Time is ticking, babe. It's 2:24. And I have a going away party tonight. So let's hurry up. These nails are kind of similar to what I just did last time. So I'm trying to stay away from burgundy and I'm trying to stay away from gold. I really love these, but we're gonna go for this type of vibe. So it is 3:27 and I was supposed to be on my nails about 30 minutes ago, but I had like these cramps happening right now. I don't know what's going on, but it feels like I'm getting stabbed. It's definitely not my period time yet. The nails that I like to use are these ones from Amazon that I got. Obviously these are Gel X nails, but they're the short, like ballerina maybe. I am experimenting because I remember that I did the type of like tortoise shell design last time, but I forgot which colors. I'm probably gonna use these two for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, get to doing my nails. I just don't feel good right now, but things gotta get done. Boo-hoo! The crayons was not even that bad now that I realize it. Actually, they actually was. I was hunched over on that toilet, girl. Oh. Anyways, I'm just doing my nails. Honestly, I kind of don't know what I'm doing here either. I just know that these nails lasted a little long time, you know? That's all that matters. One thing about me, baby, my motto for the rest of the year is if I can learn it, it's free. Just buy the stuff, learn how to do it so you don't have to spend $80. Girl, New York is so expensive. For a set like this, it probably been like, what, $150? No thank you. Getting this nail set and everything on Amazon cost me like $50 and it's gonna stretch. One thing I am absolutely okay with being ignorant about, I don't want to see a tutorial. Please don't teach me how to do it, babes. It's okay, you got it. Is sugaring, waxing, anything like that. I will book that appointment ASAP if I feel like I need it, but there is also an alternative, and that's called a razor. Girl, I'm teaching y'all how to save money today. I never represent, baby. Whoa, whoa, and do no wrong. Speaking of music, I showed y'all that I was listening to Nelly Furtado's like old album. I think it's called Loose, when I was doing my nails, and I was listening to that all the time as a kid, and it just transported me back to nostalgia. But does anybody else remember Lil Mama, that one album she had? And Swim was the best song on the album. Oh, here's the nails. Aren't they so cute? Hair done, nails done, everything did. I know that's right. I'm my own beautician. I knew, I said I was gonna do my skincare, but I don't think I really care right now. After doing my nails, my cramps are on fire, and it's 5:20 on the dot. Music check. I still haven't packed one piece of clothing, not even a piece of sock. So I think this is wraps for my 24-hour transformation. Baby, it is a transformation because at the end of the day, a face mask is not gonna do that much. Let's be real. So I am on the way to Tokyo in 12 hours, and this was my 24-hour transformation. I tried. Oh, I need some tea, child. You know what I don't understand about tea real quick? It says not to microwave the tea bag, but you can put it in boiling water. It kind of doesn't make any sense. Thank you for tuning in to my 24-hour short-lived transformation. The hair almost got me tight. The nails came out decent. Baby, we're saving money and we're on a budget, okay? We don't have nail money. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.